Happy New Year 2021 from the Global Dream. We hope everyone is fine. And today we are going to start learning Java programming. Java programming is one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world. And why we should learn Java programming? It is because it is one of the most popular programming language. It is a complete object-oriented programming, and it has a very high demand in the market. Okay, let's see how much a Java programmer or Java software engineers or Java developers are making per year. Okay, let me go to indie.com and type here Java developers. Okay, and find jobs. Let's see. First, the remote. You see, right now, Java programming language has 2,855 jobs completely on remote. On remote means you can work from anywhere in the world if you have a laptop and internet connection. Actually, you don't need to have laptop too, because when someone hires you from a company, they provide you a laptop. All right. And definitely we should have a laptop, those who are programming, right? And they can make 35 to 42 an hour on remote, should have 1 to 4 year experience, you know, and senior Java developers, they make more than $100,000 per year. You see, when you're making 45 to 48, it becomes 100,000. So 60 and 65 becomes around 130 to 140,000 dollar, 140,000 per year. And entry-level Java developers even make this. Okay, so these are actually remote developers. Those who are working at office, they make more. So it's really worth learning Java programming, right? Okay, now if you want to start learning Java, what do you have to do? You have to do two things. One, you have to have the Java programming software. So you have to download and install the software on your computer. Number two, to start coding or programming, you must have an IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. If you're not working remotely, you can check right now. Just right USA. And you will find, oh my goodness, 34,000 jobs right now, even more. All right. So you want to learn Java, right? And you have to have a software in Eclipse Ide. Now, to download Java, just write Java download and press enter, and you can start downloading from Java Oracle because Oracle owns Java Pro. Excuse me. So go to oracle.com. I prefer to download from oracle.com because it is their product. Better to download from the owner. Okay, but you can choose from anywhere. I prefer to download from oracle.com. Click on JDK download and it will take you to here. If you are using Linux operating system, choose from here. If you are using Mac operating system, choose from here. If you are using Windows, uh, I'm using Windows 64-bit, then choose from here. And how you can be sure what operating system you are using, what system type. Next question is what system type. To become sure, I can just click here control and go to control panel, press enter, and just double click on system and security, then double click on system, and this system will show you system type. I'm using 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor, so I'll choose this one. Okay, just click, then accept the Oracle technology terms and conditions, the license, click on download, and it will be downloaded. All right, and it might take 10 to 15 seconds. Let it be. Then I'll need Eclipse. I just type Eclipse download, press enter, and Eclipse download. Eclipse is here, the latest version. Okay, just click and it will get downloaded here. Oh, I have to click once more, I think. Yes, and Java is already downloaded. Now I have to install, right? Let it be downloading, then just click here, go and show in folder, click here, then it's very straightforward. Just click, 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 click. Okay, so I can do it by clicking double or right button click, run as administrator. Okay, then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will say yes, because I want it to be installed on my computer. All right, now preparing to install, I'll click next, and it's going to be installed on C drive, program files, Java, and version is 15.0.1. If you want to change the location, you can do it. Just click here and change it. I want to keep the default path. Then just click on next, and Java is being installed on my computer. So straightforward and easy. Now, I said welcome to the global dream, but showed you another YouTube channel. This is Programming for Juniors or Chotoder Journal Programming. This YouTube channel also run by me both in English and Bengali. If you are expert in Bengali, you can follow in Bengali. If you want to follow in English, you can follow in English. So just click on playlist and check what you want to learn. Okay. I'm teaching here Ruby on Rails, Java programming, front-end web development, back-end web development, Python with Flask and Django. All right, I have been programming since 2007, quite long time. And recently I have completed Python with Django, actually a couple of courses. I attended bootcamp also, and I got a belt, okay, passed the belt exam. And I also completed uh, Ruby on Rails, Ruby programming, and Ruby on Rails framework. And long ago, I attended another bootcamp on Java programming. And currently, I'm waiting for a belt exam on JavaScript, min stack. All right, so programming quite a long, and I love teaching. Previously, I used to be teaching in college level, and I taught in the college level the last 12 years and have been teaching online quite long, 11 years, I think, 9 years. 9 and 12, 21 years teaching experience. So, not bad. All right. Now you can check about on programming for juniors, mission, vision, why I start teaching here, etc. Now, if you want to support this project, you can just click here and contribute on PayPal. If you want to donate on GoFundMe, you can do it. Teaching free. If you want to learn a programming language with a framework, if you attend in any bootcamp, you have to pay $10,000 at least for 3 months of bootcamp. Full stack web development, you have to pay $10,000 to $25,000 just for 3 months bootcamp, and you are getting the same quality here just for free. And it will take 6 months if you seriously code every single day, 1 to 3 hours every single day. And maybe it will take like a year if you code along with me, okay? Because I am uploading a video, one Bengali tutorial and one English tutorial every week. It might take a little longer time, but if you want to have your learning curve smooth and little more faster, we have also a program. You can join one-on-one coaching, or you can come on a batch, and we are affordable, but not necessary. If you want to learn for free, keep going, and you will be there. Okay, I think it has been installed. Yes, successfully installed. Close. Now we need Eclipse, right? Okay, one more thing we have to check. I just type here CMD. CMD means command prompt, and I just write Java C, and we can see Java C is there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can write Java C, Java compiler version. It's 15, right? And if you go Java dash dash version, Java space dash dash version or hyphen hyphen version, enter, and we see it's 15.0.1. Okay, now one more thing, actually, it's already done on my computer. You have to do it too. Go to environment variable, Java home, you can see already set it up, but in your computer it might not, so I just delete it. Don't delete anything from here if you don't understand well about your computer. Okay, I can delete because I know well what I'm doing. Okay, don't delete anything from here if you don't know well, because if you delete, your computer might go crazy and you might need to go to computers repairs store, and it might cost you a couple of $100, so don't do it. So I have done it just to show you from scratch. Okay, after installation, now if you go here and I just close it, now I want to check it. CMD Java dash dash version, still it's available. Java C version. All right, fine, but it's not okay. Okay, though it's showing it's okay, but not okay until you set the environment variable. Okay, so to set the environment variable, what do you have to do? You have to type here env, go to environment variable. Actually, I had been using Java 8 in Java 11. Now the latest version is 15.0 point something. I never use it, but I took the latest version. Sometimes latest version mm, doesn't work well. It may not stable. So I prefer you to use the older version, mm, just for practice. But you can install any one of the versions. Okay, so environment variables has two parts, two options. One is user variables. Okay, this is the name of my computer. Another one is system variables. Always uh, set on system variable because this is very global. And just right here, Java home, all will be capital, then underscore home, and put here the path where you installed your Java. Where it is in my C drive, and go to, where is Java? Okay, program files. We know it is in program file. Then click on Java, then double click here, click on bin. I'm taking this path, just copy a bin path, not only Java, I'm taking the bin path. Why? Let me tell you, I don't need to go back. Okay, just delete the bin. Okay, that's fine here. Then go to path, Many computers will have just one path. Okay, then what you have to do, just click on edit, don't delete anything, then semicolon and put this path here. It will work. But if you have like many parts like me, then just I will delete very carefully. I don't want to delete anything from here. Okay, then I'll take new path right here, new, then just click here. So I'm taking here bin path, and for Java home I took the Java path up to here. Okay, then click on OK, once again OK, and over again OK. All right, fine. Now Java path and Java bin path has been set up globally. I can access it from anywhere from my computer. Okay, now what next? I have Eclipse Ide. I need to code. I have to use any code editor. I need to use, actually it is IDE, not only code editor. I can code here, I can program here. Okay, right here, resume. What the hell? I stop it, and it is downloaded. Again, show in folder. I can just double click here or just right button click, run as administrator. It is also very straightforward. Yes, I want to install it. It's being processed. Eclipse installer. This is the latest version. You can choose any version though. Okay. It might take 10 to 15 seconds. Then what I have to do, I have to choose either these or this. I'll choose this one. And if you are using different programming languages, you can choose anyone. Not anyone. According to the language, you have to choose one. We are using Java. For Java developers, I choose this one, and create start menu entry, create desktop shortcut. Shortcut will be on my desktop too, and I can actually install it. I can change the folder. Just click here and create new folder, and you can put it. I'm taking the default folder, install, and being installed. It might take 10 to 15 seconds, not more than 30 seconds, I believe. Okay, let's see. All right, we are almost done. Okay, installation completed successfully. We can launch it from here. Let's launch it. Eclipse IDE to 2020-12. Okay, fine. It's being open. Don't worry. And we are in C drive users. Kathy, name of my computer, Eclipse workspace. Actually, we can create our own workspace if we want, or if you want to keep by default, you can keep it. Okay, starting Eclipse IDE. Wonderful. Now, learning any programming language is always daunting, but don't worry, about it. I just want to delete it. Okay, delete. At the very beginning, it might be a little intimidating, but if you keep programming, coding, watching the video, and just follow along, it'll take just 1 week to become comfortable. Okay, go to File, click on New, go to Java project, and name of the project is Java tutorials, say for example. Then you can choose default location, or you can change again. All right, then just go to finish. Click on finish, or you can click on next. Now create. Actually, I don't need to create it. Now Java tutorial showing error. Why? Let's not take the default one. I can create it from here too. Okay, Java project, Java Java project in workspace or in external location. Okay, Java crash. Okay, or crash. Java crash. I want to create my own location. Just browse, click on folder. Where is it? It is on desktop, right? Let's say Java tutorial. Select folder. Next. Oh, it gone, right? Okay. Allow output folder, source folder, create module info. Actually, I don't need it, but you can keep it. Java crash course. Okay, finish. Project requires compliance level of 9 or above. Do you want to change the project compliance to 15? Yes. Don't create. Come on. Again. Let's try again. Java project. Name of the project is Java course. I want to use the same folder that we created where this is already there. Okay, that's our own folder, Java. Okay, select folder. We have selected. Then Next, create module info Java. Okay, no problem. Project requests, okay. Do you want to change project compliance in GRE to 15? Yes. Generate comments configure. Discouraged module by name. Module name. Okay, module name. By convention, module names usually start with lowercase. Okay, great. Okay, Java Crash course in Java Crash. Come on. It might create a little problem. So, really, this I take Java. Java. And let's take the default one. Click on Finish. Module name Java. Module should be create. All right, let's see. We have project is Java, and we are going to create a package first, and name of the package should be smaller case Java course. Finish, and right button click. Inside the package we have to create a class is nothing but blueprints from where we can create n number object. Okay, now don't worry about class object right now. We already installed Java and Eclipse Ide. Just I'm going to show you whether this Java software and IDE is working. It will not work, showing a warning. Okay, don't worry about it. Name of the class is hello. Public static void main string. This is main method. I don't want to type it, so I just click in, finish. And here is package, here is class hello, and this is the main method that I check in so that I don't need to write it. Then I just type CISO control spacebar and it will auto-complete it, and I just say hello. It's showing problem here. What's wrong? Let's see. Refresh. Okay, refresh, close project. I don't want to close it. Close unrelated projects. Why it is closed? Okay, let's see. And how we can run the program? We can run from here. Hello Java. Always save resources before launching. Okay. And we see error occurred during initialization. Java language module find exception. Module Java, what the hell? Not found. Module of Java not found. Come on. Okay. All right. This is Java system library. This is module Java class. Actually, what's wrong? Right button, click refresh. Let's check here, Java. Okay. Let's try again. What's wrong with it? I never use this latest version, so maybe something wrong. Okay, go to Java project again. Let's just call it Java and take a different location. I don't want to use it. Let's create different location, not inside Java crash course. I take desktop and I say Java full course. Select the folder. I want to follow each and everything. Next, allow output folders, source folders, okay. By default, Java bin, default output folder, okay. Project requires compliance level of 9 or above, okay. Do you want to change project compliance GRE to 15? I say no, and we are okay. All right, now this is system library. System library is nothing but library, and we call them jar files. We will know each and everything step by step. Don't worry too much about it. And this is our project. This is Project Explorer. Okay. So inside this SRC, we create our package. First, we have to create package. Actually, package is nothing but just a folder. So name of the package will be always in small cap. So I can say Java course. Click on finish. Then right button click. This is folder, and inside the folder we are creating class. I told you don't worry too much about class and object today. Class is nothing but a template or a blueprint. Like when we want to create a house, we create a blueprint. And from blueprint, if we have one blueprint, from blueprint we can create or develop n number houses. Same way, if we have a blueprint of a car, we can create or make car n number from just one blueprint. We can create millions of cars, billions of cars. Okay. Same way, from one class, from one Java class, we can create n number object. And in Java, everything is an object, and Java is object-oriented programming. Don't worry too much about object-oriented programming right now. Okay, and name should be in capital. Say hello capital, hello programmers, and I'll just check in public static void main. It will be our main method. Okay, and it's inbuilt method actually coming with Java programming. Click on finish, and this is our package. And public, don't worry about this public keyword, class keyword. This is keyword public class, and name of the class, we name it hello programmers. And curly braces, opening curly brace and closing curly brace. And inside of this class, we have a main method. Every Java program needs a main method to run the program. Okay, and these are comments. Okay, comment is just to say not to run these blueprints, not to run this line. Okay, so we can keep notes. Okay, double slash comment, and to uncomment, usually to comments, what we can do, we can just select it and control slash, and it will be commented. And again, to uncomment, control slash, it will be uncommented. Okay, so comment. And in Python, we have print statement, just like print, right? And in JavaScript, we have seen console.log, and it will print. Okay, and in Ruby, we have seen just puts. This is also print statement. In Java, it is just I write CSO, then control spacebar, and it will be auto-completed. It is system.out.println. You can type at the very beginning. It's better to type always, and there will be semicolon after every block of code, every line of code. This is mandatory in Java. If you don't put it, it will show us a red mark. It means syntax error. You see, it's telling us to put termination mark, semicolon. And inside the parenthesis, if it is string, we have to put inverted commas. I say hello Java engineers, and I can run it from here. Okay, hello Java engineers, or I can run from here, run as Java application, hello engineers, or I can run from here, run, right? or I can run from here. So 4 ways we can run. Actually, I know 4 ways. Maybe there are many more ways. Okay. If you want to code more, you can type even hello. What's up? And you can run from 4 places. Okay. What's up? Now, in Java, you can actually declare and define also variables. In every programming language, we have data types. For string, I have to just say string, string. I can say carrier. Carrier. Okay. I just declare. Then I can define carrier. Here is equal to software engineer, right? And I can say hello, good morning. I am plus career. Ooh, you see? Now it will say, hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm a career. Career is what? Software engineer. And I can also say salary. It is integer. So I can say ins is salary. And salary equal to $100,000. All right, this is integer, so I don't need comma. And I can say I make salary per year. Per year. Okay. Now, right button click, run as Java application. Check. Beautiful. So we program, and definitely it is beautiful program. So powerful. Hello, good morning. I'm a software engineer, and I make 100 USD per year. No, I can make space here. I am okay. Space. So there will be space. Wonderful. You see, now we have spaces. So this way we can start programming. Okay, so easy, so straightforward. Don't make it complicated. Many people will say, oh, you cannot learn programming because you are not science student, you don't know math, you don't know science, this and that. Don't worry, if you can just read and write, anyone can program. And famous words, you know, everyone should learn computer programming because it teaches us how to think. Steve Jobs said it. Anyone can learn program. Anyone can learn computer programming. If you have computer and internet connection, you can learn it, and you can work from anywhere in the world. You don't need degrees. You don't need bachelor degree. If you have school diploma, that's enough to land an IT job. All right, or you can even work as a freelancer. You can work from anywhere in the world if you have internet connection and a computer. All right, so practice, practice, practice. Practice makes a person perfect. Okay, and we will learn step by step. Now, it might create problem that has had been with me, but just follow along. Just just avoid the problem who was giving us trouble. Okay, just practice that we need, and definitely in just 6 months we can become a good programmer. Okay, 6 months. All right, happy new year. Have a wonderful day, second day of this year. Hope it will go well for everyone. All right, if you are watching video tutorial for the first time in this um, YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. Thank you so much.